find anything in here. There are pages and pages and pages of text everywhere. I really need to get organized and get some work done. There has to be a better way to organize all these papers. I wonder. I know that there are 3 different styles of writing that I've been learning about. There's informative, opinion, and what was that other one? Oh yes, entertainment. How could I forget that one? It's my favorite. I remember that informative writing is written to tell readers all about something. Usually these give us lots of facts. Informative writings can be newspapers or journal articles, textbooks, or even cookbooks. Authors of informative texts want to teach you something. Opinion writing is when an author shares his or her opinion about something. It can be about their favorite food or a place to visit or even who to vote for in the next election. Opinion writers want to share their opinion and hopefully get others to feel the same way they do about things. And entertainment writing, that one's my favorite. When writing entertainment pieces, the authors just want to make the readers feel happy or feel good. They make you laugh and even sometimes cry just a little in a good way. Well, maybe if I read some of these papers laying around, then I can sort them into their styles of writing into these bins. And maybe I can get a little bit better organized. Let's see, this one. Did you know most caterpillars are herbivores? That means they only eat plants and fruit. A few examples being leaves, grass, and berries. Caterpillars also eat a lot of food very quickly. This is because they need a lot of energy to turn into a butterfly. Now, I heard a lot of facts about caterpillars in this writing. What box do you think I should put it in? Should it go in informative, entertainment, or opinion? That's right, informative. It's full of facts, and I learned something new about caterpillars by reading it. Okay, I know I've got another one here. Yes, here we go. First I saw the white bear, then I saw the black. Then I saw the camel with a hump upon his back. Then I saw the gray wolf with mutton in his maw. Then I saw the wombat waddle in the straw. Then I saw the elephant a-waving of his trunk. Then I saw the monkeys, oh mercy, they smelled just like a skunk. That was a silly poem. What style of writing do you think this one is? Is it informative, entertainment, or opinion? Well, it definitely made me smile and giggle a little bit, so I think it's entertainment. Oh, I've definitely got one over here. I love pizza. My favorite topping is pepperoni. The little red circles look like cute little polka dots. Pineapple pizza is delicious too. It adds the perfect amount of sweetness. I hate banana peppers on my pizza. They are so tart. Oh, it feels like my tongue is on fire when I eat those. Now, what do you think? Which box should this go in? Informative, entertainment, or opinion? That's right, opinion. The author told us all about why pepperoni pizza is the best and why you shouldn't eat banana peppers. I'm going to put it right here in the opinion box. Okay, I think I have one more. This one, I bet you remember it. It goes like this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear kiddos. Happy birthday to you. Well, I've heard that before. I'm sure you've heard that before. It sure is fun to sing it. In fact, it's a song. Songs are kinds of writings too. Which box should we put this song in? Informative, entertainment, or opinion? Definitely entertainment. It makes us happy and it makes us feel good. And if it happens to be your birthday today, I hope that you have a very happy one. Well, it looks like I'm all organized. Thanks to you all for all your help. The next time you sit down to read, I want you to think about what the author's purpose was. Well, thanks for joining me, and I hope you'll come back for another day of fun learning with me with Rise and Shine.